Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to create stunning text animations just like Dhruv Rathee using CapCut on your PC. If you're looking to enhance your video content with professional and engaging text effects, you're in the right place. Let's go! Open CapCut on your PC. To begin, we'll add a background video. You can choose any video you like for the background. Adjust the video time duration to match the length of your text animation. Go to Mask and select the rectangle mask and adjust it. Now go to Stock Matte and drag the white color into the timeline. Adjust its duration to match the background video. Go to Mask and select the rectangle mask. Adjust it to cover the whole screen. Now add the animation. Add the keyframe. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Then reduce it at the beginning. Now we need to animate the black background. Go back to Mask, apply a keyframe, and ensure the white and black backgrounds move in sync. Keep the keyframes for both backgrounds at the same duration. Select the white color layer, go to Basic, and set it under the black background. Add a red color layer by taking any video or image and placing it below the timeline. Remove the black video by going to Canva and selecting the color. Then create a compound clip. Place it on top of the rest of the video and set the time duration. To Mask, select the rectangle mask and adjust it. Add a keyframe between the black background, come to the beginning, and adjust the keyframes accordingly. So far, we've made the base animation. Now it's time to add the text. Go to Text, drag and drop the text layer into the timeline. Write your desired text and adjust the color and font. Copy the text and separate each word into individual text layers. Select all the text layers, add the animation you prefer. And adjust the duration for each layer. Once done, select all text layers and create a compound clip. Go to Mask, select the rectangle mask, and adjust it to fit your text animation. And there you have it, your text animation is ready. With these techniques, your videos will have professional, engaging text animations just like Dhruv Rathee's. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy editing!